Optimizing a Fiverr gig can significantly boost visibility, leading to more views and orders. Here are some key steps to make your gig stand out. Keyword research. Use Fiverr's search bar to find common keywords in your niche. Choose relevant keywords that buyers are searching for and incorporate them naturally into your gig title, description, and tags. Eye-catching title and description. Write a clear, compelling title that highlights your service's main benefit. For the description, focus on buyer needs, emphasizing what makes you unique and how your skills meet those needs. Break up the text into short paragraphs, making it easy to read. Attractive gig images and video. Use high-quality images that showcase your work professionally. Adding a gig video can increase engagement. Briefly explain your services and add a personal touch. Detailed packages and competitive pricing. Offer well-structured packages with clear descriptions and reasonable pricing to cater to a range of buyer budgets. Tags and categories. Select accurate categories and use up to 5 tags that best describe your gig. Tags help Fiverr's algorithm place your gig in relevant search results. Encourage reviews. Deliver quality work, communicate well, and encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews, enhancing your gig's credibility.